inside your soul, all the stories that you've told, the rooms inside your soul are true, and every part is whole. It perfectly unfolds. Every part of you is whole. Remembers who you are. You are God. You are here to create, to make something new. You are here to embody God as you. So what are you longing for? What is calling you to be? What's calling you, baby? Listen for the answers in the room of possibility. Yeah, listen for the answers in the room of possibility. Anything is possible. That's your part. Anything